What you doing? What are you doing? Oh, we got some spit up. Come on. Whoa! Big rollover! Oh, it's a big rollover. Are we scratching our head? Back over we go. Back over. I got that arm video. Okay, get your hand up. Get your, oh, and we rolled back over. See, he's getting good at it. Come on. You keep rolling back over, Dean. Come on, Dean. Watch him roll right back over. He's trying. Here we go. What is it? Come on. Roll over.
He's trying to crawl. Hey, guys.
Hey.
Oh, look at him.
Come on, Bubba. Oh, yay. He does the big rollover, huh? All right.
Hey. You got teeth. He's teething. Look at his tongue. Oh. Has he got a tooth? Do you check?
A what?
You
No.
sure he doesn't have one?
Check to see if we got teeth. No, no teeth. Hey, no teeth. No teeth yet.
Baba Black Sheep. Yay. Hi.
Say hi, Mom. Say hi. It's
Hi.
going on YouTube. Not everybody can see. What did you mean? Let's roll you back over.
Hi. 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 Are you licking your lips? Are you licking your lips?
Want me to face him your way?
Well,
Oh, you rolled right back over. This isn't fair.
when did you start rolling over?
A little while ago, he rolled over for the first time about a week ago. I thought I told you. There we go. Look how big we are. A handsome boy, look. What did I say today? Rough and tough. Rough and tough. Don't cry. Here, Mom. Record this. I'm gonna hold him up. Here we go. Oh, who's standing up? Who's standing up? Oh, stomp that foot. Stomp your foot. Don't cry. Oh, lean back.
He's a big boy. Oh my God! Oh, I just chucked everywhere.
It didn't land on me though.
Oh, don't let him step in it. Oh,
Yeah. Okay.
nice puddle of vomit.
I know.
Oh, you better get his burmy.
You're thinking
Did you just be sick everywhere? That's just one huge burpee, isn't it? Are we still recording?
Yeah. Hi. This is nice. But it never goes on me. Ever. He only throws up on guys. All the time. Especially his dad, man. There we go. Oop, who's getting naked? Who's getting naked, boy? Okay. I'm recording it. Okay, good. We need to see you. Hey, we need to see the baby. Oh, got a booger out too. Good job.
He's a big boy. Is your mummy picking your nose for you? Don't expect women to do that when you're older, because it ain't gonna happen. No, it isn't.